are back. देखिए अकेले छोड़ा था और दो आ गए आपके सामने. And Zubin here is one of those chefs who's actually opened a restaurant bar based on Cuban food. Good, and the great part about Zubin is he's a very senior chef from the industry, professionally, personally, he's a good friend, and he's traveled to Cuba and he's probably very few, I don't even recall many chefs who've done Cuban food in India. And to have come up with Havana, I think was brilliant. एंड अगर क्यूबा की बात हो रही थी तो मैंने कहा देखिए ऐसा है कि आप अगर आएंगे तो बड़ा मज़ा आएगा और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका आने के लिए साहब. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you for having me on the show. And you're calling me senior because I don't have hair, is it? Okay.
So basically, what, 22 years?
22 years, yeah.
So 1 year senior.
Yeah. But I look very young and handsome, so that's okay. Yeah.
So what are we cooking?
We are cooking actually a banana stew, and it's baked bananas. The Cubans were influenced by the food at Haiti. Now the French colony was there at Haiti, and the French used to make something like crepes Suzette, which are flambéed crepes. But of course they couldn't get eggs and everything in Haiti, so they made it with the local ingredients, bananas. And the Cubans stole the recipe.
I just like how he fell into the trap. I like, so what are you cooking? And he just bought it. I am a very lazy cook, and I would love for you to cook this. Thank you very much for agreeing to cook.
I
can
no
go.
problem.
I'll be the commie.
Oh, that's so sweet. I'll peel it for you. The first thing, obviously, you need is bananas. So we're going to cut the bananas. And I've got some lovely orange juice, which we're just going to reduce. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि बनाना पकने में काफ़ी कम समय लगेगा और ऑरेंज जूस रिड्यूस में ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. इसलिए वी स्टार्ट विद दैट एंड वी लीव द बनानास फॉर लेटर.
Awesome. Enough?
That's plenty. Okay, you can see that the orange juice has reduced. It's become a nice orangey color. Nothing that you could expect more from it. Now we start with the bananas here. Okay. I've got unsalted butter. So I'm going to throw some unsalted butter in.
So you traveled to Cuba, right?
Yes, I did.
How's that?
It was an amazing trip. I couldn't have been happier if I went to any other part of the world. It was amazing. The people are fantastic, absolutely wonderful people. And the place has visually so many lovely things to offer, you know. The food is fantastic though. It's a real fun fact that in Cuba, although they are an island and they have so much seafood, the Cuban locals can't eat lobster and prawns because that's kept for the tourists so that they can earn tourist dollars.
You want to add the bananas now?
No, I want to add the raisins a bit so that they puff up. Now I'll add the bananas. So we're going to let it sit there for a minute or so that it changes color.
You have a nice crust on the bananas.
Yeah.
What else from Cuba? You bought a lot of cigars back?
No, I don't smoke, unfortunately. So
for friends?
But for a visual delight, visiting a cigar factory was a good thing.
Yeah.
And Bill Clinton used to order cigars from Cuba, but because the US had the embargo against them, he used to order it via a third country like the UK.
Actually, a lot of American presidents used to do that.
Yeah.
Trust me. It's in those diaries in the White House.
Now we're going to add a bit of sugar. I've used brown sugar. You can use cane sugar, honey, anything you like. But brown sugar is the authentic Cuban way.
Yeah, that's the Cuban way, right? Good rum, good molasses, good sugar, that's Cuba.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Good vintage cars.
You bet. The land of Cadillacs. You want to flip them still or you just want to keep going?
Now we're going to... Now you see the color changing? This is the point we add the reduced orange juice.
Lovely.
Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in some rum. And you need the pan a bit hot for what is going to come next. You burn out the alcohol, so for all you people who don't like to have alcohol, just understand that there's no alcohol left anymore, just the flavor. And we finish it with some chopped walnuts. That's it.
Lovely. but it feels great to be assisting. Now, Zubin was telling me a very, very interesting thing about Cuba that I loved, that I want you to tell all of them.
Okay, so this is about the transport in Cuba. Cuba, you know, doesn't have great public transport, but they have one rule there that really works for everybody. And that's every government vehicle can be commandeered by the local people. So if you see a government-owned garbage truck, a bus, a truck full of soldiers, you can just wave out your hand, say, stop guys, and they have to stop and take you closest to your destination where you're going. So you could be going halfway till where you're going, and they will have to pick you up and drop you. So you see so many of these trucks and buses and all that stuff which are owned by the government, and the locals don't pay a penny for transport. So,
Matlab, you can never get lost in Cuba.
well, you can get lost because people like me who don't speak Spanish beyond the usual hola, we find it difficult to ask for directions. But if you say straight, they'll take you straight, and that's
So,
it.
matlab straight, left, right, सीख के और thank you सीख के जाएं, बाकी टेंशन मत लें आप.
हाँ, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि स्ट्रेट लेफ्ट राइट शायद आपको ग्वांटानामो में भी ना ले जाए. So that's the problem.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? Time to eat, I guess.
Yep.
Sichuan peppercorn?
Okay. You can do that with the black peppercorns. You want to make it again?
क्यूबन बनाना कैसरोल बनाने की विधि. पैन में ऑरेंज जूस को रिड्यूस करें. पैन में बटर को मेल्ट करके डालें किशमिश और पफ होने दें. फिर डालें बनाना चंक्स और पकने दें जब तक बनाना ब्राउन नहीं हो जाता. फिर डालें ब्राउन शुगर. आखिर में ऑरेंज जूस, रम और चॉप्ड वॉलनट्स डालें. मिंट से बनाना कैसरोल को गार्निश करें. क्यूबन बनाना कैसरोल को आइसक्रीम के साथ सर्व करें. क्यूबन बनाना कैसरोल तैयार है.